Hello everyone! Over the past year, many of you have watched me or Eric cut up a Peking duck. And in the spirit of Thanksgiving, however you may be spending it this year, I wanted to show you how to carve a Peking duck with a turkey. I created this style of carving and plating specifically for Long Island Peking's duck. I haven't tried it for other birds, so today we're doing this for the very first time and we're doing this together. This is a fried turkey. It's a much bigger bird, but we're going to get into it the exact same way. Start by flipping it over so that the breast side is down. Then we're going to remove the wings. We're going to separate it at the joint and lay it on the plate. There's a lot of bird here, so we're going to separate this evenly on 2 plates. Then we're going to work the knife around the perimeter of the back and gently remove the skin. Save that for later. As you can see, mine's not perfect. Hopefully you'll have better luck than I did. If your skin isn't crispy, a nice trick is to pan fry this entire flap with a little bit of oil or toast it in your oven for a few minutes. Flip this bird over again and we're going to cut along the keel bone. Cut between the leg and the breast to separate the skin. Your knife will naturally end up on one side of the bone, and whatever side that is, just keep working it downwards and cut against the carcass, or use your hands, which I prefer. Repeat on the other side, and voila! You have 2 massive breasts. Set these aside, and we'll get back to these later. Now pop that entire leg off, and don't forget that oyster. With the leg, we're going to want to shred this for a contrast in meat texture. You could slice it, but the best tools for this big bird are your hands. Repeat with the other leg. This is also another big reason why I like using my hands. I can easily feel and find the toothpick bone. You definitely don't want people choking on this. And if you have a bench scraper, it makes the job a lot easier. Otherwise, you can use your hands, create a little mound on each plate, and we'll come back to this soon. With the breast, this is my favorite part. Cut it as thick as you like, and by cutting this against the grain, you'll be getting a more tender bite. Fan out the pieces by gently patting on the slices, and make it look pretty. You've come this far. Lastly, that skin you set aside, cut it up in odd rustic shapes and place it on top of that dark meat mountain. And that's it. You now know how to cut our Peking duck by default, taught through this turkey demo. You have 2 plates for both ends of the table with different textures for different preferences. Please stay safe. I won't be feeding an army this year, but I will be making turkey and cutting it exactly this way. It's great for easy after meal pack up and integrates perfectly with creative next day leftovers. If you found this helpful and gonna give this a try, please hashtag Peking Turkey and tag Long Island Peking to show us how you did. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.